Well, we have been asked this question: is Voltex Power Saver a scam? Thus, we decided to create a video on this device, Voltex Power Saver or Voltex Energy Saver. To answer this, we have searched several video reviews in various website analysis about this product. Most of them is referring it as a scam. Prior to this Voltex Power Saver, many other gadgets had come, and all those were scams only. We have furthermore to say about this gadget, but before that please have a look of customer reviews in form of their comments on various websites. People have universally counted this device as a scam product. This website was created on 18 November 2020. Several experts of electrical engineering have clarified that all these power savers and energy saver devices are only scam products. Seeing as there is no technical explanation of how it works that would make sense to a high schooler, much less an engineer, we would say no. And you can confidently ignore the many fake 5-star reviews